How to fix WhatsApp icon missing from home screen. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply open the drawer of your phone, click on search at the top and search for the app. If you find your app in here, simply hold on to the app and your whole home screen will pop up. Simply paste it in there. Or sometimes your app may be in hidden apps. Go to hidden apps, and as you can see, there's WhatsApp. Hold on and unhide it. And after that, you will find your WhatsApp. This is how to fix WhatsApp icon missing from home screen. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.